you so much, PNM Multimedia Services, for having us. And congratulations on this expo, the Travel and Lifestyle Expo 2025. So today, we celebrate creativity, passion, and the many possibilities that make life's most meaningful moments truly unforgettable. This expo, kumpleto na, no? Kung magpakasal kayo, nandito na lang, one-stop shop na siya, brings together the best in the industry, visionaries, artisans, storytellers, and partners who help turn dreams into cherished memories. Events like this remind us that weddings and travels are not just transactions. They are experiences that shape our lives, strengthen relationships, and showcase the beauty of our culture and community. So, as we do this, as we celebrate and continue to elevate the standards of tourism and events, this platform continues to inspire us. And, well, of course, there's collaboration and excellence is being developed. So to our organizers, exhibitors, and guests, thank you and congratulations. Your dedication for putting up this expo is really truly inspiring to couples who are planning to tie the knot, and to the future travelers. May this year's expo spark new connections, bold ideas, and opportunities that uplift our industry. So again, madamog na salamat kag maayong aga sa tanan.
Thank you so much. And of course, we have PNM Multimedia's Executive Director, Paulo Plachete. Thank you to Iloilo City Tourism Officer, Ms. Janelle and Divina Gracia. This time let's hear from the representative of Mayor Trias, J. Trias, Executive Assistant to the Mayor, former City Councilor.